Bitcoin, $32,729. Oof. Low today, 31,025. What a vertical dump. You can't call it anything less than that. Were we just yesterday? 36,786. Has been a dump for the ages, right? Actually, kind of equaling this move. The speed actually was slightly faster. Yeah, wow. Is it peak fear though? Is it peak fear? I think this is sentiment check, kind of as max pain as you're gonna get. Not saying the prices can't go lower because this doesn't look good when it does a triple bottom. Triple bottom of sometimes will do that and then finally break, right? Yeah, triple bottoms and triple tops. What do they say is the same on triple tops? No such thing. Triple tops is a consolidation for a breakout. The triple bottom is also consolidation for a breakout. But let's not give up hope entirely, right? Let's throw on a Stoke. Let's zoom out on the weekly. Hey, that's all we got. Past performance, is it a measure of future performance? This is how what I was talking about my market wizards, Bruce Kovner. Past performance not necessarily guarantee your future performance, right? So you got to kind of, being a speculator, you got to try to anticipate the future. You are trying to peer into the future realm, but we're looking for clues, right? We're looking for clues, and so this is a fourth weekly strong bear candle on the Heikin Ashi candle, right? Heikin Ashi candle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 18-week moving average, 49,928. Still, look at that distance. This is available one of a few times, I believe, you can buy BTC at such a discount below the 18-week. Below that, yeah, that's a discount. Oversold on the stochastic. So let's look at previous dumps and how long they last, right? So COVID, essentially a 2-week phenomenon. March 2nd, our bottom was reached March 9th in that week. And you had 3 strong bear candles on the weekly. And 18-week was up at 82. So basically a 50% discount. And another interesting thing to note, the 18-week moving average is not curving down yet. It's kind of going sideways. Right? It's not a bear market. This is what a prolonged bear market looks like when you've got a major moving average just doing a death spiral or death move, right? From here, 11.5 down to 3.689. This kind of move is more like this, right? Which was a consolidation in between these two highs and lows. Okay. And how many weeks of solid bear candles do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. So we're on 4 currently, right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, seeing 4, 5 weeks has kind of been a max. You got here 7. Ooh, hopefully it doesn't do that. But look, it was kind of keeping close to the 18 here, right? Kind of keeping close. It's only when it moved away that I was able to kind of retrace back into it, right? Let's look at the 2013 Mount Gox fiasco. 1, 2, 3, 4 again. 4 candles on the row, but a giant wick on the upside. 1, 2, 3. And here was a big long slide, but it was start way above the 18, well, above the 18, right? Until you got that discount to the 18, that's when prices could recover, right? Again, is it max fear? Got max bad news coverage, right, with the FBI and calling it's kind of propaganda, right? Ish. Uh, why would anyone hack a group want to get paid in Bitcoin? That does make no sense. Who is this hacker group? You got to always be careful with the news that they promote. Kind of throw you off the scent, right? Kind of throw you off the scent. If COVID-19 the fiasco hasn't taught you anything, do not believe the powers that be, right? And there always is some sort of alternative motive to their utterings. Okay, alternative motive to their utterings. And so, how would they introduce a central bank digital currency? A hacker-proof digital US dollar, right? So you throw some mud and slander at your competitor, which in this case is a decentralized, anti-government, anti-sovereign currency of the people. It's not a currency; it's an asset. It's a monetary layer, right? It's a decentralized monetary layer with more than one node. A central bank digital currency would only have one node, obviously. The DM group, the Facebook project, that was actually kind of um, more sensible. Okay, you got a group of corporations. So here's what's happening. You got your governments trying to protect their interests of their fiat currencies. You got corporate currencies emerging, right? Trying to get in on that because Facebook has been trying to launch some sort of currency for a long, long time. I think 2012 they tried to launch a Facebook token payment, right? So they've been kind of thinking about this for a long time. And now you got your currency of the people, a fat protocol called Bitcoin. Been around now for what, 11, 12 years. And the more popular it gets, the more they will attack it, of course. So we hit over $1 trillion market cap, which is many times more than most fiat currencies in terms of their M1 layer, right? The base layer of their money. They create multiple layers of money on top of their base layer, right? Yeah, so but BTC marches on. The blocks keep marching every 10 minutes, right? The network has not slowed. It'll be interesting to look at a hash rate. Are the miners dumping aggressively or not? What is their kind of cost per token? I think it's way down here. So relocation of miners, that costs money. If they're setting up new camps, new warehouses, that costs money. So that could be funding, causing the selling or reason to sell. Moving to safer, more friendly jurisdictions, and you've got 3-4 South American countries kind of giving BTC the green light. You got Indian finance guys suggesting BTC and crypto should be classed as digital assets. So there's some bullish green shoots out there too. So not all is lost. Not all is lost. And let's look at the daily. Oh, this is actually kind of nice. It would be some sort of divergence forming. A little poke below what 20. Oh, below poke below 30,000. You got positive divergence on the daily. And I don't think we enter into oversold territory again because of the length of time. The length of time. April, May, June. I think we're almost there. That's not to say there won't be headwinds in the general stock market, right? Yeah, so who knows? That could cause something extra. A little oomph down to what, 24, 25. We'll see, right? We'll see. And how is the rest of the market doing? Hex falling off to 5.5 cents. Doge holding firm at like this 30-cent level. Holding firm at 30 cents level. Shall we click on the chart? Yeah, never got oversold over here. Let's throw on a momentum. The momentum is probably dead because it's kind of been going sideways. Yeah, momentum is dead. Not to say Dogecoin is dead. Let's look at ETH 2400. Now this is we are bearish on momentum, right? Negative territory, red candle on the ETH. Litecoin. Wasn't this $180 yesterday? Ooh, yeah. I see. Let's look at the weekly. Litecoin, Bitcoin's volatile brother. Reset moment. Resetting at $150 as opposed to $30-$40. Remember, it was $30-$40 last year. Yes. I really like Litecoin in terms of this structure. It seems like it's more prone to go higher, more freely. It's just a consolidation, right? It's a long consolidation. Long consolidations lead to a strong breakout moves, right? So, not looking too bad. Coinbase, interesting. Never broke 208. Will it? We don't know. Big fanfare, big hype. Generally, what happens with IPOs on the New York Stock Exchange, they don't leave any meat on the table for you guys, the normal guys. They suck you in with the hype, early stage, and then just unload on you. Once the selling is done, again, 2 months. 2 months of selling. Yeah, they often turn it around. So we'll see. This is also a key metric. Dogecoin is a metric. Coinbase is a metric to see how far we go. I'm kind of edging to this is kind of our peak fear moment, right? ADA 150, not too bad. Wifey, again, not too bad. Yeah, can I pull it up? Not done by any means. Almost missed that. Almost got that 100k. Got to 95. Anyway, just a quick video, 13 minutes. Any strength from anything? Yeah, it hasn't been as. Is it been savage? Oh yeah, link 22 dash 160. That was $500. That was $500. 478. Let's remove that. Almost got to my target, 500. Let's clean this up. Again, new people into crypto who haven't experienced a dip. This is your dip buying opportunity if there ever was one, right? Imagine if you only got into crypto around here. Just been experiencing ups, strong ups, hardly any downs. Matic. I think Matic is done. Could be done. I've actually used Matic briefly. Did not like it. So I think you could see a clean out of some of the things that are not long term viable. Not long term viable, and the rotation into the premium. Something like Kusama. How is that doing? Should be around here. Yeah. Looking like it's not done. Looking like it's not done. We had this huge crash here. What was this event? If it could turn around, still could be a 4-figure coin, Kusama. Who knows? Who knows? Let's go back to Bitcoin quickly. 3215. 3215. Let's do an hourly. Yeah, triple bottoms. Not good. Not good. Not good. We'll see. Keep an eye on it. If it starts breaking, run for the hills. Especially, you could be making money on this on the short side. I did post an idea of this break. I mean, that was a clear. As a trade, you got to put on. Be open to movements up and down, right? If you're a trader, a true trader can make money regardless of the environment. If it's a bear market, he will recognize it's a bear market. Again, we are down over 50%. We are down over 50%. So how much longer? How many more times can these shorters start getting away with it? Stop getting away with it. I mean, yeah. Anyway, calling this video 16 minutes long. All right, guys, stay safe out there. Maybe purchase some Hex. How is Hex doing? USDC. Okay, yeah. This low free didn't hold. Stop invalidation of pattern. Is it invalidated? Yeah, I don't want to keep redrawing it. I don't want to keep redrawing it, right? But holding steady. It's doing well against BTC, holding its own and gaining against BTC. Yeah, here we go. We hit a high today of 182. Yeah, 182 on the against BTC and Satoshis. So grinding up. Could you draw a breakout? Kind of. It's a complicated pattern, isn't it? Like if you're trying to draw a pennant, that's when the BTC movement creates extra weirdness. But it's okay. It's okay. All right, guys. Stay safe. Peace, Balaji.